Hey guys, Seb here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can upload your TikTok videos from your computer without using your phone. And I'm also going to show you this awesome hack to help your videos get more views within TikTok, so stay tuned for that one. So yeah, if you didn't know already, you can upload your TikTok videos from your computer without using your phone. This feature's been around since February, but there's been a few changes, so I thought I'd do a new video on this so you guys can see exactly how to do this. Now the beauty of this is if you're a video editor like myself, I edit on Premiere Pro, or if you edit on Final Cut or any other video editing software, you no longer need to send a file to your phone because you can simply upload it straight onto TikTok from your computer. But before we get started, my name's Seb. This channel is all about videography, video editing and photography. If that sounds interesting to you, then do consider subscribing. But you know me, we're going to jump right into the video, so let's head over to tiktok.com on desktop. The first thing you're going to want to do is log in. So just do that whether you're doing it on Facebook, Google or your phone number. So I'm going to go ahead and log in straight away. Once you've signed in, you just have to click on this upload button right here and then you'll be prompted to this page. You'll see that the video requirements is MP4 or WebM. Minimum resolution has to be 720p or higher, and your video has to be up to 60 seconds. To upload your video, you just click on there and then select a video. I believe it's this one for me. And this is where you can scroll through and make sure everything looks okay or sounds okay. And this is where you can enter your caption. And this is also where the little hack comes in. You'll notice on the TikTok app that entering hashtags is a little bit hard because it's a bit tedious. You're on a phone, you can't really keep track of all the hashtag numbers, see what the low and high competition is. But you'll notice that on the desktop version, it's actually really easy to see the competition, and you can easily create a spreadsheet or notes and enter your favorite hashtags. So what I like to do if I'm posting on my phone or on desktop, I'll always go on the desktop version first to check the hashtag competition, and then I'll copy it or paste it depending where I'm posting. But you can also see that you have a character limit of 150 characters. You can select your video thumbnail just like this, and then you can select who can view the video and allow users to comment, duet or stitch. Once you're happy with the upload process, you just press post and then your video is uploaded to TikTok. But there you go guys, that is how you upload your TikTok videos from your computer without using your phone. This has made my life and other video editors' lives very easy because now you no longer need to send a file to your phone. But there you go guys, if you did enjoy the video, do let me know in the comments down below. Leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video.